Signing agreements. Hey, it's something all of us have done. And what is the impact of signing an agreement? Well, that takes us to this week's case. Involves a man, worked for the federal government. He had a federal retirement program. Under the program, he had one of two options. He could either take the money, the retirement money, during his lifetime, or he could take a smaller amount during his lifetime, and on his death, there would be money left over that would be a death benefit. Well, he was going through a divorce. And he took a form, gave it to his wife, and asked her to sign it. What the form said was that his wife, at that time still his wife, was relinquishing any rights she had to any retirement benefit because she recognized that he was going to take all of the money before his death, and on his death there would be nothing left over. She signed it. On his death, guess what? She brought a claim for retirement benefits. Federal government program held up the form and said, I am sorry, sweetheart, here we've got this form, you signed it, you don't get anything. She said, wait a second, that can't happen because I didn't understand the agreement. My husband didn't explain it to me, the notary public didn't explain it to me, I didn't have any understanding as to what it said. Therefore, I should get the money here because that's normally what happens in many of these instances. Well, needless to say, it went to court, went to a federal court. Federal court took a look at it. It was appealed. And on appeal, the court very simply looked at the agreement and said, hey, we've got an agreement. It was signed. It was volitionally signed. It was willingly signed. The agreement is enforceable. Does it come as a surprise to anybody? Shouldn't come as a surprise to anybody. In this instance, she, of course, was arguing that these really were benefits that normally would flow to her as the widow of someone who had worked for the federal government, and that she really wasn't aware that she could relinquish those benefits. Court said, doesn't make any difference. The fact you signed that agreement and relinquished those benefits basically took you out of the running for any claim for retirement benefits or a death benefit claim. All right, I think once again, this demonstrates that when you sign that agreement, you better be pretty sure as to what you are signing. And sometimes people think there are rights that they can't give up, and there are certain rights that are very difficult to give up. But believe it or not, most rights can be changed by agreement between the parties. So when you sign that agreement, shouldn't come as any surprise, make dang sure you know what that agreement says. We bring you this case like we bring you cases every week so you can see how the law really works. I'm David Allen.